Hello guys, and welcome to the part 2 of the video. Today I'm going to talk about the problem that I'm having with the hard drive that I bought recently. This is the Segate Barracuda 500GB, and I have installed it right here in this spot. Right here there is another cage inside the computer case that you can install another hard drive or SSD, depending on your preferences, of course. The problem is very simple. When I try to use my computer and copy some of the data, the hard drive, when I was turning on the computer, will start to making a clicking noise. Usually when this happens, the clicking noise is something that is not good. It's not a good sign. The hard drive will fail eventually, but you never know when. So it's very important to back up your data and get another hard drive replacement instead important. So today I'm going to show the hard drive Sentinel, how you can identify the problem. But the hard drive Sentinel unfortunately is not going to tell you that the hard drive is defective or not. This comes from your experience, and you need to be careful when buying things and all of that. Anyway, right here, if you scroll down, we see that the Segate says right here that the hard drive disk status is perfect. Problematic or weak sectors were not found, and there are no spin up or data transfer errors, so no action is needed. Normally, this power runtime on this hard drive is 899 days and 11 hours, and the estimated remaining lifetime more than 925 days. If you make a calculation for 925 days, it will be 2.5 years normally. So anyway, what is bad? I also installed another program that is very important too, the DisMark. The DisMark, here you can run and see what the speeds of the hard drives are. And after I run those couple of tests, I have seen that this hard drive had some issues. I'm not sure about the problem that it's having, but it seems that the speed, the write and the read are very slow compared to the hard drive inside this computer. So I'm going to show you a couple of pictures that I made right here. The first one will be the Segate, because this is my G partition right here. Will represent the speeds, and of course the hard drive itself. It has only one partition, and if we magnify it right here, we'll see that this hard drive is writes with 89.37 and the average is 86.26, and the reads for that will be 123 and 96 megabytes, and the average will be 123.16. These numbers will not tell you much about the hard drive itself. I mean, you can say, yeah, this is normal for a 7200 RPM, but unfortunately it's not like that. So if we move to another print screen that I have right here, it will show you that let's say, for example, this is the SSD that I'm having, the Samsung. We have 114.98, the average is 131.33 megabyte, and the reads for the reads ones are 178.37 and 61 respectively. So the difference is not high, but I also have the hard drive, pardon, that I made right here. And this is the Western Digital Black 7200 RPM, and this is the speeds that are supposed to look like. We see, how should I explain to you? We see that the writes are higher than our Segate, 114.02, and the average will be 93.16, and for the reads 162 and 160.48 megabyte. This is the clear indication that the hard drive it has some problems. Of course, the engine and can be tired, or probably he was used excessively, or probably he was used in the bad condition that it wasn't properly cooled down by the fans of the case, and who knows what else. Yeah. So if you compare this with the average, I see that 89 and 123, you'll see that the is almost double at the read speed compared to the first one for the Segate Barracuda. Even though that the hard drive is having 7,200 RPM, it seems that somehow it has some problems. When I try to copy, and another thing that I want to talk about is when I try to copy the files, let's say 80 gigabytes last night when I was trying to transfer. It took me like a lot of time. It just like half an hour or so, which is not normal, because when I transferring the files from hard drive to another, the remaining time was quite how should I explain to you, was the timing copy was somewhere to the half, like 20 or 25 minutes. Of course, it pretty much depending on the file itself. And yeah, anyway, but this is our hard drive. It looks clean, but you never know how exactly this hard drive was used before, so it's best to verify that. The hard drive sentinel will tell you some information about the hard drive and all of that, but it's best to test the hard drive itself. Let's say if you find a seller that is selling these kind of things, and all you have to do is just ask him if he'll give you like 24 or 48 hours for you to test this hard drive. In my case, I was lucky because after I had spoken with the seller, he said he could refund on me for this hard drive, and he said all you have to do is just come to the meeting, and I will give you your money back guarantee. So in this kind of things, it's very for me it was I was very happy, because in this way I can raise those money and buying another hard drive replacement. So the seller was very kind, and I do appreciate that very much. So yeah, anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you to determine either when buying the second-hand hard drive what to look for. And yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. See you in another video. Bye.